Breng Jing Hi Shatran, Samla Puli, North Eastern Hill University, Kablanesh Posni, Hadu Menta Khatsandrek Unayang Archa of Saw, Pynlong, you Professor Lakhon Kama, President NEHU Teachers Association, Ther, you Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, Vice Chancellor University, Bula Nur Ben Shimshti Nakjingtray, Barashwakani, Bula Lum Chingalangi, Extreme Member University, Lingbag WhatsApp, Hakabola Pynlong School Ba, Kumbagade WhatsApp University. Yakani Professor Lakhon Kama Ula Penpau, Hadian Miksamla Puli NEHU, Kila Priang Sobha, you Professor N Saha, Kum Acting Vice Chancellor, Ban Penya University, Katbau Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, Udang Don Hakshuti, Kabakhatsan Sngi. Habakran Loy Tulung Kadru, Yakjingle Don Bor, Vice Chancellor Nadukur Komthongi, Pro Vice Chancellor, Clem Kaching Kanjok Tian Nakinohikai, but Kiching Pamnaru, Ula Pentip, Lingba WhatsApp. Ula Menrabru, Bakachimti, Professor N Saha, Shuki Vice Chancellor, Kadekachang Kaching Job, Hakachingeki, Bola Penpau Bakim Pediang Shu, Professor Shukla, University, Kamtam Bula Hentranyik Sama Puli, Kumju Iginohikai, the Kabule Karbu Subet.
He tried to institute an inquiry committee, probably headed by XYZ, to look into the appointments or the conduct of the registrar and deputy registrar, whom he has selected as chairman of selection committee. Can you hear anywhere where the judge and the jury is the same person and the culprit also is the same person? There cannot be a lunatic court where the culprit whom we have accused, the judge and also the advocate is the same person. So naturally it was a mockery. What I'm saying is, friends, this is a mockery. He's trying to undermine the importance of executive council. And then he dares to notify the appointment of 2 pro-VCs of their own, that to buy an assistant registrar of a planning. And the file number, if you see, is the assistant registrar of planning, and the file number is of an establishment, totally different section. That itself, we came to know, is under pressure. Somebody has done it. Only again to re-emphasize what we have been saying. He undermined each and every authority of this university, whether starting from head of the department, deans, the SOs and ARs and DRs and registrar and whatnot. This is how he has been functioning. Not only that, once he has appointed them, day before yesterday that we seen these 2 names, and he again did the same trick. He tried to recommend names here and there, and finally 2 names came out. That too, when we asked them, they said, no, we are not aware of this. There was no notification as such. It only came through WhatsApp. And that's where our members declined. We got naturally agitated if they have accepted, but they said, no, we have not accepted. The following morning, which was yesterday morning, they have clarified that, no, we cannot accept. Because under this Vice Chancellor who is absconding, he is a persona non grata for us. How can he appoint pro-VCs? It cannot be done. In spite of that, in spite of the fact that it was not accepted, yesterday he again called an EC meeting online. More interesting things which I'm going to tell is what is important to be underlined. In that meeting, there was no quorum. We have 13 members, you need 7 for quorum, only 4 external members attended. Again, our 6 internal members didn't attend that meeting because it was through WhatsApp. So you know precisely how many members attended. Naturally, the meeting was not there. And he issued the notification, the registrar, who was on leave till yesterday. Please mark what I'm saying. That is the most important aspect. He took leave till yesterday. So his station leave permission was over yesterday. He is supposed to join yesterday in station, submitting the joining report, which is a document supposed to be sent everywhere. He didn't. And through WhatsApp, he said, I have joined. Look at this. It is like if I'm appointed as professor and I'm in US, I said, I have joined online. I need not be in the campus. Now, what I'm trying to say is, look at the audacity of this VC and his registrar. Again, I'm repeating, this VC and his registrar. Because it seems they said, we'll sing together, we'll float together. And that seems to be the mantra of both of them. And that's why this is highly illegal. That, of course, the incoming VC will take note of it. That registrar cannot join. And today he is out of station, mind you, friends. The disciplinary action will be initiated against him. How did you go out of station when you didn't take station leave? That is enough to start. And that's why what I'm trying to highlight is he cannot do joining report online. And then he was conducting, or he was the secretary of the executive council, which never occurred because there was no quorum. And today, interestingly, he is again on leave, I'm told. Now, which means this registrar anyway and his VC, registrar and his VC and his registrar, they are almost on the same plane. Both of them are absconding. They are trying to run the university through WhatsApp, trying to convert our university into a WhatsApp university. Literally, we have heard about WhatsApp university. These two lunatics, these two jokers are actually trying to convert this university into a WhatsApp university, which we will never allow. And hence, friends, what you have to see is that not only that, the notification they had issued, he cannot issue that notification because this notification again doesn't say that it has approval of the Executive Council because Executive Council was not held. But I know he used a statutory provision, again saying that, and not only he was pressurizing whole day to these two pro VCs that were supposed to be appointed to join so that he can take leave. These people are actually making a joke of themselves and trying to make a joke of this university. Both of them think that they can run this university remotely. I think with the entry of Professor Saha, that episode will end. It has to end for good. Otherwise we cannot sustain as a university. And hence, what will happen from here on, we will see as time passes by. We are all here, you will be here, we will be here. We will see what happens to them as time passes by. But for now, at least on a slightly happy note, we can welcome Professor Saha. Maybe we can escort him, or rather escort by the students, to the chair which will become honorable. Otherwise, it was totally dishonorable. So his chair, when you occupy that kind of chair, probably it will now look honorable. You will feel happy to say Honorable Vice Chancellor. And that's precisely what we have all gathered here. Yes, this is not a big win. You know, we have a huge war to win. A small battle has been won this evening. And I really appreciate the student union.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.